Let's do this. Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Matt, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and my first impression of the new 20-volt compact hammer drill and impact driver combo kit from Dewalt. Hey, before we break this box open, first I want to say thanks for watching. Alright, if you liked the video, give it that thumbs up button. If you want to see future videos of mine, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon. You'll be notified for any videos that I post. And if you have any questions or comments or suggestions, not just about these tools, but about future projects or any future videos, please post them in the comment section below. So let's break this thing open. Alright. So, I did buy this locally, okay? But luckily the company price matched to the price on Amazon, because here it was a little more expensive, so I just showed them the price on Amazon and they dropped the price for me. So if you do want to get this product or see anything more about it, there's a link in the description. You can check it out, do your own research, make sure it's something that you need before you purchase it. So, really quick, this is, might need to stand up for this one. Okay, well, that's the packaging material. This is the contractor's bag that it comes with, which is pretty cool. Okay, here is the drill. Here is the impact drill. Some books that I am definitely going to read. Some belt hook clips. Silica packet, pretty small. Silica packet to keep this stuff moisture free, and some paper. Okay, so that's the bag. I mean, this is going to be pretty good, but let's set this up here. Rip all this stuff out. So this is everything that it came with. Let's just go through this super fast, all right? Initially, I only needed this impact drill, right? But after I priced everything, the complete combo was about $60 or $75 cheaper than if I were to buy each of these items individually. The prices may change, so check on your own, do your own research, but I just needed this drill. And I'm going to do a quick, super quick first impression of this. I'm going to start from the bottom up. This obviously came with a 2 amp hour battery. It came with 2 of them. Let me set this to the side. Okay, from the bottom, you can fit any size battery on here. You can fit these 2 amp hour batteries all the way up to the flex volt batteries if you want to. It has a little belt hook on either side, so you can pick which one you want to use. It has the 3 speeds that you can adjust. The handle grip is super comfortable. This is really light, and the quality is so nice. If you depress the trigger at all, you'll see 3 LED lights come on, and those should stay on for maybe 15 to 20 seconds. So this has a quick release on it for your apex or your drill bits. So that is going to be super handy to keep those bits from falling off. First impression, I can't wait to use it. Let's set this to the side and go over this 2-speed hammer drill really fast, right? So from the bottom up, obviously it came with the 2 amp hour lithium ion battery. There's only a little bit of charge in it. Same thing as the impact driver. It has a belt hook spot on both sides. So this also has an adjuster switch, but this adjuster switch seems like it is for the light. So that's for daytime, nighttime, and actually just a flashlight. You can see how strong that is. That's a cool little design. So when you depress the trigger at all, these will pop up depending on what setting you set it as. This handle is so comfortable, and this tool is so light. And you go up, there is 3 positions as well. Clockwise, lock in the middle, and counterclockwise. You can see that this all has this nice rubbery protection around it, around this motor housing. Has low speed, high speed as well. And you can see that it has tension control. So you can set it from 1 to 13, actually to 14, and then you can set it to drill bit and hammer mode. So first impression of this drill is is amazing as well. This kit also came with a battery charger, and obviously the two 2 amp hour batteries. So initially I only wanted to purchase this impact drill, but as I added the cost savings up to get this whole entire kit with the charger and the 2 batteries in the bag, I realized that that is a much better deal for me. Even though I do have the old school 18 volt Dewalt drill that I bought in 2008 when I was living down in Florida. But the difference between these is amazing. Even with this handle off, there is a crazy amount of weight difference here. It is unreal, right? So it's probably 1.5 times the weight, this old drill compared to this new one. And this is a brushless motor, so that's probably where the weight saving comes. But I really can't wait to get these out to get these 2 out on the job and use it. Obviously, I'm keeping this one because this is my workhorse and I use it for everything. But now I have more tools in my arsenal to be able to build anything in the future. Hey, I know this was a quick video, but I just wanted to put this together to give you my first impression and to show you a quick unboxing of how this thing comes. Can't wait to use these products. It's going to be amazing. I want to say thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it that thumbs up. If you want to see future videos of mine, hit that subscribe button, that little bell icon right next to it. And if you have any questions or comments or suggestions about future videos, questions about these products, about any other videos that I posted, just hit me up down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So thanks again. I hope you're staying safe. Take it easy, and I'll see you later.